a little while since I've done a video. This is the cutting on the Wirral Way near Neston. It's a deep single track, or was a deep single track railway cutting, hand cut by the Irish navvies back in, I don't know, the 1840s, 1850s, whenever this track was built. Now it's a cycleway footpath. You can see the sandstone sides. There's the sandstone. Like I said, all hand cyclists, all hand cut when this was a railway line back in early Victorian times. It's dry now, but it can get quite muddy in the winter. There's some sort of pipeway thing at the end, at the side, which I guess may have, had water in it for the steam trains back in the day. And here we come to a very wet part of the wall. Well, a bit later in there, it's absolutely covered in mosses and liverworts and things. Absolutely gorgeous. Right, catch you all later. Take care.